I'm gonna give you 5 Premiere Pro hacks to edit faster in 90 seconds. If you're still using the old razor blade to make cuts in Premiere Pro, forget about it. It takes too much time to press C to enable the tool, find the right spot on the timeline, and then click to make a cut. Instead, do this. Go to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts, search for Add Edit, click on the assigned shortcut and then press X to add a new shortcut. Press OK, and from now on you can make cuts on the selected clip every time you press on X. If you have multiple tracks here that you want to cut in the same place, just use Ctrl plus Shift plus K. Do you want to cut and trim to the left of the playhead? The long version is to press C for the blade, cut the clip, hit V for the selection tool, select the clip, press delete, click on the empty space between the clips and press delete once again. But instead of these 7 time-consuming steps, position the playhead where you want to make the ripple trim to the left and press Q. Same goes if you want to ripple trim to the right. You simply press W. If you have different tracks stacked up and you only want to make a ripple trim on the top clip, just lock all the tracks you don't want to affect, activate the track targeting, and now you can ripple trim with Q or W without affecting anything else. Sometimes you add keyframes to animate things in the effect controls, but then it's really hard to reposition the playhead on a specific keyframe and change its values. Enter the keyboard shortcuts menu, search for a select keyframe, click to add a shortcut. For the next keyframe, press Alt plus P, and for the previous keyframe, choose Alt plus O. Press OK, and now you can use the shortcuts to jump really easily from one keyframe to another. Hey, you should watch this video on the screen next because I can offer you even more value. And make sure you throw away that old razor blade.